Yo, as you can see, I have 1000 of free TikTok followers on fresh account. Let's switch to notifications and come back to profile to refresh. Bam, followers increased. Let's switch to notifications area again and profile few times so I can show you that followers are flowing all time and increasing my numbers. These people are real. They have own profiles with photos and videos. This is not fake and I don't have any video published. It's a fresh account. Followers are coming and increasing my stats very fast. I have 1000 followers in few hours. Of course, it's gentle, not instant, so TikTok cannot ban the account. I'm getting 20 followers every few minutes. You can get it too, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Of course, it's also free. You don't paying for anything and you can use it multiple times. All what you need to have is few minutes of free time because you need to enter one website and complete their advertising offer. It's free, but seems they are making some cash from advertisers and simply promote our profile in TikTok ad network. Anyway, I don't know how it's working. Open your Chrome browser and enter the address from the video. Once you have it, scroll to find TikTok followers option. You can get here also Instagram, Twitter or YouTube followers. By the way, you will need to provide your TikTok username to get your followers. So come back to TikTok app and provide exactly name that you have in your profile. On the next page, you will need to complete the advertising offer. Don't worry, it's 100% free. This way, you will unlock the email form where you can confirm your TikTok followers order. They are going to contact you in max 24 hours. I have tried it 2 times and mostly they contacted me in 3 hours. First time I got 1000 followers, second time I don't know. They are still coming into my account. Have fun and good luck.